Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Phospholipids, metabolism of phospholipids and their metabolic abnormalities. Before we undergo the metabolism of phospholipids, we should overview the structure and classification of phospholipids. Phospholipids are polar ionic compound composed of an alcohol that is attached by a phosphodiester bridge to either diacylglycerol or sphingosine. Like fatty acids, phospholipids are amphipathic in nature, that is, each has a hydrophilic head, the phosphate group, and whatever the alcohol is attached, either serine is attached, ethanolamine is attached, choline is attached, and the long hydrophobic tail containing fatty acids derived hydrocarbons. Phospholipids are predominant lipids of cell membrane. In membranes, the hydrophobic portion of the phospholipids molecule is associated with the non-polar portion of other membrane constituents, such as glycolipids, cholesterol, and proteins. The hydrophilic polar head of phospholipids extended outward, interacting with the intracellular and extracellular environment. The hydrophilic polar head of phospholipid extended outward, interacting with the intracellular and extracellular environment. Membrane phospholipids serve as a reservoir of intracellular messengers in the form of diacylglycerol and phosphatidylinositol triphosphate, and for some proteins, phospholipids serve as an anchor to cell membranes. Non-membrane phospholipids serve as an additional functions in the body, for example, as a component of lung surfactants, as essential components of bile, with their detergent properties aids in solubilization of cholesterol. Classification. Phospholipids classify into two types: glycerophospholipids and sphingospholipids. Glycerophospholipids, in which glycerol has a act as a backbone, that includes phosphatidylcholine, phosphatidylethanolamine, phosphatidylserine, phosphatidylglycerol, phosphatidyl diphosphatidylglycerol, uh, cardiolipin, phosphatidylinositol, and sphingomyelin, in which sphingosine acts as a backbone rather than glycerol. Sphingosine is basically the amino group containing unsaturated alcohol. It replaces glycerol in the formation of sphingomyelin that gives protection and insulation of myelin sheet of nerves. Slide shows the side chains of the nitrogenous bases or alcoholic compounds with a long hydrophobic tail. Now the metabolism of phospholipids. Synthesized in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, from which they transported to Golgi apparatus and then to membranes of the organelles or the plasma membrane, or excreted from the cells by exocytotic mechanism. Activation. While synthesis of phospholipids, activation of either diacylglycerol takes place, or either activation of alcohol by linkage to a nucleotide diphosphate. CDP, cytidine diphosphate, promotes phospholipids synthesis. Sites of synthesis: liver, kidney, intestine, endoplasmic reticulum. Sources: fatty acids, glycerol, phosphate, nitrogenous base, choline, ethanolamine, serine, inositol, etc. ATP and CTP should required. CDP, nitrogenous base, is required. Now let's start as well as CDP, nitrogenous base as well as CDP diacylglycerol is required. Either both, any of these required helps to synthesize the remaining classes of phospholipids. Diacylglycerol pathway. In this pathway, the formation of diacylglycerol 1,2-diacylglycerol Y from glucose. This diacylglycerol further it activated by CDP, in which CDP alcohol is incorporated, release cytidine monophosphate either from ethanolamine to make a phosphatidyl ethanolamine, cytidine diphosphate, choline incorporated, release cytidine monophosphate to make a phosphatidyl choline, or acyl CoA, release coenzyme A to make a triacylglycerol. Cytidine diphosphate glycerol pathway. In cytidine diacylglycerol pathway, either we use a CDP diacylglycerol here, either we use a CDP alcohols. In both cases, either we activated diacylglycerol या हम एक्टिवेट करें फॉस्फेटिडाइल कोई से भी नाइट्रोजनस बेस को साइटिडिन डाइफॉस्फेट अटैच करके एक्टिवेट करें just to release cytidine monophosphate to make them a phosphatidyl inositol phosphatidyl serine or diphosphatidyl glycerol. Now the synthesis of CDP nitrogenous bases. Serine converted into ethanolamine just to decarboxylation takes place by the enzyme decarboxylase to convert this phosphatidyl serine into phosphatidyl ethanolamine. Utilization of choline and ethanolamine obtained from the diet from turnover of the body. Choline also synthesized de novo from the phosphatidyl serine in the membrane. Either 1,2-diacylglycerol or activated CDP alcohol is required. Release cytidine monophosphate from them to make a CDP choline or CDP ethanolamine. The de novo synthesis of phosphatidylcholine from phosphatidylserine in the membrane. Phosphatidylserine is decarboxylated. Phosphatidylserine is decarboxylated by the enzyme decarboxylase, remove carbon dioxide, and further it transfers the 3-methyl group by the enzyme N-methyl transferase. The methyl group donor is 3S adenosyl methionine converted into 3S-adenosyl homocysteine to convert to make a choline. In choline, ATP is attached, ADP is removed, ATP attached for dephosphorylation occur to make a phosphatidyl choline. Here the part of CTP, cytidine triphosphate, is added, pyrophosphate is removed to make them a CDP choline another way. Significance of choline reutilization. Choline, choline is an important because the de novo synthesis of choline requires the addition of 3-methyl group derived from methionine activated from S-adenosyl methionine. Methionine is essential amino acid because this amino acid is often deficient in human diet. Choline may be choline and methionine as act as a lipotropic factor. Role of phosphatidylcholine in lung surfactant. Principal pathway for the synthesis of dipalmityl phosphatidylcholine. Position 1 and number 1 and number 2 on glycerol occupied by palmitic acid palmitate to make a dipalmityl phosphatidylcholine. In the type 2 granular pneumocide cells, pneumocides of lungs. This type 2 epithelial cells of lungs. This phospholipids is a major lipid component of lung surfactant, the excess cellular fluid lining the alveoli. Surfactant serves to decrease the surface tension of this fluid layers, thereby preventing the alveolar collapse. In case of respiratory distress syndrome or hyaline membrane disease in infants is associated with insufficient surfactants production. Approximately 50% of all neonatal deaths seen in Western countries. Respiratory failure due to insufficient amount of surfactants can also be occurred in adults whose surfactants producing pneumocytes have been damaged or destroyed. For for example, an adverse effects of a use of immunosuppressive medication or chemotherapeutic therapeutic drugs. De novo synthesis of phosphatidylcholine from phosphatidylserine in the membrane. Decarboxylation takes place, then N-methyl by the help of N-methyl transferase, three methyl groups are transferred to convert them phosphatidylserine into phosphatidylethanolamine. Phosphatidylserine should be synthesized from phosphatidylethanolamine just by the change of base change mechanism. In phosphatidylethanolamine, serine is added, ethanolamine is removed to directly make them a phosphatidylserine. Synthesis of phosphatidylinositol. CDP diacylglycerol with inositol to make them a phosphatidylinositol. Synthesized from a free myoinositol and CDP diacylglycerol. Phosphatidylinositol contains stearic acid at carbon number 1 and arachidonic acid at carbon number 2 of glycerol. Phosphatidylinositol, so they membrane-bound phospholipid. They act as a substrate for prostaglandin synthesis also. The role of phosphatidylinositol in signal transmission. The role of phosphatidylinositol in signal transmission across the membrane. Phosphorylation of membrane-bounded phosphatidylinositol occurs in response to a binding of variety of neurotransmitters, hormones, and growth factors to receptors placed on the plasma membrane that activate G protein coupled receptors. The degradation of polyphosphoinositoids results in the mobilization of intracellular calcium and activates protein kinase C, both of which act synergetically to evolve the cellular responses. Signal transmission across the membrane is thus accomplished. Protein kinase C, a calcium dependent enzyme that mediating the phosphorylation of certain cellular proteins, thereby regulating the important physiological functions such as cellular growth, ion channel activities, secretions, and synaptic transmission. Now, the role of phosphatidylinositol in membrane protein anchoring. Specific proteins like alkaline phosphatases, acetylcholineesterases, lipoprotein lipases can be covalently attached via carbohydrates. Specific proteins bridge to membrane-bound phosphatidylinositol. Being attached to a membrane lipids that allows the phosphatidylinositol glycan anchor proteins rapid mobility lateral mobility on the surface of the plasma membrane. Protein can be cleaved from its anchor by the action of phospholipase C, another calcium dependent enzyme which bounded on the plasma membrane that releases diacylglycerol and activates protein kinase C, which further phosphorylate the cellular responses. Phosphatidylglycerol. Phosphatidylglycerol occurs in a large amount in mitochondrial membrane is the precursor of cardiolipin. Diphosphatidylglycerol is composed of a two molecule of phosphatidic acid connected by a molecule of glycerol, synthesized by the transfer of diacylglycerol phosphate from CDP diacylglycerol to a pre-existing molecule of phosphatidylglycerol. Added cytidine diphosphate diacylglycerol release cytidine monophosphate to convert them into cardiolipin. Functions of cardiolipin. Cardiolipin, the role of cardiolipin it optimize the function of oxidative phosphorylation because this one is more available in mitochondrial membrane. Its deficiency leads causes the swelling of mitochondrial membrane and causes the impairment in oxidative phosphorylation. Use cardiolipin acts as antigenic phosphatid, one of the antigenic phospholipids used in complement fixation tests, a diagnostic test to determine the presence of antigen antibodies in the blood by just adding the complement to the test system. Used especially in diagnosis of syphilis and infectious diseases that transmitted by sexual intercourse caused by a species spirochetes, generic name Treponema pallidum. Plasmalogens. Three major classes of plasmalogen are special ether-linked phospholipids are available in the body: phosphatidylcholine, phosphatidylethanolamine, and phosphatidylserine. My, um, myelin sheets contains a large amount of pho- ethanolamine plasmalogen. Heart muscles contain a large amount of choline plasmalogens. One of the plasmalogens, one alkynyl 2-acetyl phosphatidylcholine, a very powerful chemical mediator, has a potent active physiological action on a variety of cell types. For example, it causes a blood platelet aggregation and degranulation and therefore called up platelet activating factors. Other effects of platelet activating factors includes increasing airway and pulmonary edema in lungs, major mediators of hypersensitivity, acute inflammatory reactions, anaphylactic shocks, and cause neutrophils, alveolar macrophages to generate superoxide radicals. Platelet activating factors causes these responses by binding to the receptors placed on the cell membrane and activating and cause the responses uh, by, and activating the transmembrane signaling mechanism that activates phospholipases that starts degrading, stimulating the phospholipids degradation. Sphingomyelin, synthesis of sphingomyelin at in brain endoplasmic reticulum sources palmitoyl CoA is required, serine is required, NADPH as well as FAD is required. Synthesis pathway includes the synthesis starts from the palmitoyl CoA loses coenzyme A portion of it and react with a beta amino ethanol derived from a serine. Uh, Reaction required a pyridoxal phosphate as a coenzyme and manganese as a cofactors. Release of coenzyme A, release of carbon dioxide from it to make them a 3-ketosphingosine. In 3-ketosphingosine, reduction take place required NADPH plus H enzyme uses 3-ketosphingosine reductase to make them a dihydrosphingosine. In dihydroxysphingosine further oxidized utilizing flavor proteins flavor proteins obtained hydrogen from dihydrospingosine to make them a sphingosine or sphingole. Reaction catalyzed by sphingosine reductase. Sphingosine now further taken up the fatty acyl CoA, remove coenzyme A by the enzyme acyl transferases to make them a to make them a ceramide. As we know that the sphingosine they associated with fatty acid to make them a ceramide. In ceramide, phosphatidyl choline, either phosphatidyl choline directly incorporated release acyl glycerol to make them a sphingomyelin, or either CDP choline is added, CMP is removed to make them a sphingomyelin. Degradation of phospholipids performed by phospholipases found in all tissues and pancreatic juice. A number of toxins and venoms have phospholipase activities. Several pathogenic bacteria produce phospholipases that dissolve cell membrane and allow the spread of infections. Sphingomyelin is degraded by the lysosomal enzyme sphingomyelinase. Degradation of phosphoglyceraldehydes. Phospholipases hydrolyze the esters of phosphate, phosphodiesters bond of phosphoglyceraldehyde. Each enzyme cleaves the phospholipids at a specific site. Phospholipases are responsible not only for degrading phospholipids but also for remodeling them. For example, phospholipase A1 and A2 can remove specific fatty acids from membrane-bound phospholipids, thereby be replaced with alternative fatty acid using fatty acyl transferases. This mechanism is used to create a unique dipalmityl phosphatidyl choline after remodeling. Phospholipase A1 present in many mammalian tissues, phospholipase A2 in many mammalian tissues and pancreatic juice also present in snake and bee venoms. Phospholipase A2 acting on phosphatidylcholine releasing arachidonic acid which act as a precursor for which are a precursor of prostaglandins and thromboxane synthesis. Pancreatic secretions are especially rich in phospholipase A2 proenzyme which activated by trypsin and required bile salts for its activity. Phospholipase A2 is inhibited by glucocorticoids cortisol. Phospholipase C found in liver, lysosomes, and a toxin of Clostridia and other bacillus like bacteria. Membrane-bound phospholipase C is activated by phosphatidyl diphosphate system. They plays a role in producing a second messenger. Phospholipase D found primarily in plant tissues. Now the degradation of sphingomyelin by sphingomyelinase enzyme, a lysosomal enzyme that hydrol- hydrolytically remove phosphatidylcholine, leaving a ceramide. Ceramide is in turn cleaved by ceramidase into sphingosine and fatty acids. Into sphingosine and free fatty acids. Niemann-Pick disease type A and type B. Autosomal recessive disease caused by the inability to degrade sphingomyelin. The deficient enzyme is sphingomyelinase. In severe infantile form, type A less than 1% normal activity. Liver and spleen are the primary sites of lipid deposits and are therefore tremendously enlarged. The lipid consists primarily of sphingomyelin that cannot be degraded. Infants with this lysosomal storage disease experience a rapid progressive neurodegeneration as a result of deposition of sphingomyelin in the central nervous system and they died in early childhood. Type B, a less severe variant caused by a little to no damage to neural tissues, but lungs, spleen, liver, bone marrow are affected, resulting in chronic form of disease with a expectancy into a childhood. Now, the sphingolipid storage diseases. Slide shows the sphingolipid storage diseases, their disorders, principal signs and symptoms, as well as storage substances. Number one, Tay-Sachs disease. Tay-Sachs disease, the ganglioside GM2 is accumulated in lysosomes of CNS and retina. The enzyme deficient is hexokinase A. Disease associated with a progressive development of blindness in infants soon after birth due to a widespread injury to ganglion cells in the brain's cerebral cortex and retina. A cherry red macula red spot at macula is caused by the destruction of retinal ganglion cells, exposing the underlying vasculature. Red diminish the vision in infants leads to a blindness. Seizures and association of a large head macrocephaly and mental deterioration is seen. Dilated neurons with cytoplasmic normal at birth but by the age of 6 months show onsets of symptoms. Progressive mental deterioration and psychomotor incoordination that progresses to death at the age between second and third year of their life. Diagnosis also been established with enzyme assays and DNA probes. Number 2, Gaucher disease. In Gaucher disease, inherited disorders of cerebrocytes metabolism. Autosomal recessive enzyme deficient is beta glucocerebrocytes, a lysosomal enzymes. Large amount of glucocerebrocytes accumulated in reticuloendothelial cells, liver, spleen, bone marrow, as well as in brain. In infancy and childhood, early acute onset with a rapid course and death in several years. Infants, weight loss is seen, failure to growth, progressive mental retardation is seen. Initially, there is a spasticity followed by flaccidity. In adults, a large enlargement of spleen to leads to a splenomegaly, which may reach to umbilicus or below characterized a characteristic bone pain due to a marrow cells replaced by histiocytes loaded with lipids. As a result, leads to a progressive anemia, le- leuc- leukopenia, and thrombocytopenia, tendency to get a secondary infections as well as bleeding tendency. Farber's disease. Farber's disease is a lipid storage disease, X-linked dominant, most common in males. Enzyme deficient alpha galactosidase found in liver, spleen, kidney, brain, and small intestine. Accumulation of ceremal trihexoside is seen. In, in Fabry's disease, skin rashes occurs, skin become reddish purple, pain in lower extremities, painful neuropathies, lipids accumulate in the uh, endothelial lining of blood vessels, may causes a vascular thrombosis, progressive renal failure due to excessive deposition of lipids in glomeruli, cardiac enlargement, eye involvement, corneal opacities, cataracts, as well as vascular dilatation occurs. Niemann-Pick disease. Niemann-Pick disease, as we already told, that autosomal recessive disease caused by a inability to degrade a sphingomyelin, the enzyme deficient is sphingomyelinase. Niemann-Pick disease further consists of two types, type A and type B. Type A is more severe infantile form, less than 1% in normal activity. Liver and spleen are the primary site of liver deposits and therefore are tremendously enlarged. The lipid consists primarily of sphingomyelin. Myelin cannot be degraded. Infants with this lysosomal storage disease experience a rapid and progressive neurodegeneration as a result of deposition of sphingomyelin in central nervous system, and they died in early childhood. Type B. In type B, Niemann-Pick disease, a less severe variant caused by a little or no damage to neural tissues, but lungs, spleen, liver, and bone marrow are affected, resulting in chronic form of disease with a life expectancy into a childhood. Number 5. Globoside leukodystrophy is called a Krabbe's disease. Mental retardation, absence of myelin, the enzyme deficient is galactocerebrosidases. Substance accumulated is galactocerebrosides, leads to a disease associated with a severe mental retardation, total absence of myelin in central nervous system, globoid bodies found in the white matter of brain progresses, leads to a progressive dementia, and prognosis become fatal. Number 6. Metachromatic leukodystrophy. In metachromatic leukodystrophy, the substance accumulated is sulfatides and the enzyme deficient is acryl sulfatase A. Disease associated with mental retardation, nerve stained yellowish brown with a crystalloid violet dye. Also late infancy type usually manifested before 3 years of their life. Gross involvement of central nervous system, defect in locomotion, weakness, ataxia occurs, hypotonia, paralysis, difficulty in speech, difficulty in swelling, difficulty in eating. Maybe optic atrophy is seen in adults type initially associated with the psychiatric manifestation and progressive dementia. Number 7. Generalized gangliosidosis. Generalized gangliosidosis, in which enzyme deficient is beta galactosidase is deficient. The substance accumulated is GM1 gangliosides. Disease associated with mental retardation, liver enlargement, and skeletal involvement. Number 8. Sandhoff-Jets-Cavett disease. In Sandhoff-Jets-Cavett disease, the substance accumulated is GM2 gangliosides or globosides. Enzyme deficient is hexaminidase A and B. Signs and symptoms are same as a Tay-Sachs disease, more rapidly progressing. Number 9. Fucosidosis. In fucosidosis, the enzyme deficient is alpha L-fucosidase enzyme and the substance which accumulated, in, especially in brain, is pentahexosyl fucoglycolipids. Disease associated with the cerebral degeneration, muscle spasticity, as well as skin becomes thick and rigid. Gaucher disease, in which the wrinkle type cytoplasm is seen, and Niemann-Pick disease, the defect in sphingomyelinases leads to a type A and type B. A foamy appearance is seen. Now assignment. A newborn infant died immediately after birth. Postmortem revealed a collapsed, uninflated lungs. What is the cause of death? Which biochemical factor is deficient? How this factor prevents lungs collapse? That's all about metabolism of phospholipids and their metabolic abnormalities.